Welcome back, Excel Daily Dose. Myself, Dayanand. So, basic functions, we have day 15 exact function with our channel Learn and Earn. Let's get on with the content. Exact compares are two text strings are same or not. For example, if I have a text like this, say there are text I would like to compare, are they the same or not? Uh, okay, let's use this function exact. So the text one, I'll use this, comma, the text two, I can use the second cell reference, and it retrieves true. It returns true if both the cells are same, matching. It returns false if it is not. So it's very useful formula when you are going to check, compare data entry from one sheet to another sheet, or anything that you are comparing. You downloaded some reports and you would like to compare that with some other existing data, you can use that. Also, this will be useful when you have an extra space which is just not visible and you think both looking the same, but when you put this function exact function, you could see they are not the same because there is an extra space, right? So though they are very simple formula, simplest, but the applications are really worthwhile learning them. Let me also show you one more method of comparing two cells. I can simply use Excel. So I can simply use is equal to symbol to check. Is equal to symbol to check. So the first cell item equals second cell item. Is this true or false? It says true. However, what is the difference in exact? Exact also looks at the uppercase and lowercase. For example, let us say I have this in small letter. Exact function says it is false because it is checking for case also uppercase and lowercase, wherein this is equal to does not check for case sensitive. Right, that's it for today's video, exact function, and hope you like this video. Do subscribe to the channel. Happy learning. Bye bye for now.